What's up, you guys? How are you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic as always. Today I'm with my buddy Shane. You guys saw him in a previous video that I did with his car. He drives a 2011 335i N55. I'll plug the video up here somewhere, but let me just pan the camera around. We are in the wine country currently. We just stopped the cars, parked them for a little photo shoot. There's Shane detailing his car as always. As you guys can see, a lot has been done to his car since the last time that we saw it on camera. For one, he got these awesome wheels. They're avant-garde wheels. They're the AG M590s. They're 19-inch wheels wrapped in Hankook Evo 12s. We got a full M Sport conversion, so we have the side skirts. We also have the M Sport, M3 side skirts with the full M Sport bumper, along with the carbon fiber splitter in the front, which looks really awesome. We also have carbon fiber front kidney grills on this thing. If you guys want to follow Shane on Instagram, here's the plug, Shane.N55. He's got some pretty dope photos of his car on it. We also have the M Sport rear bumper with the carbon fiber diffuser, and
also really shitty.
I think it looks pretty good. I mean,
just like that little fitment issue.
Right. There's a little bit of a fitment issue on it.
It doesn't push in, like you can't even,
honestly,
there's no way to fix this.
Yeah.
Well, on that side too, it's even worse.
It is sticking out a little bit in the rear, but to be honest, like it blends in. You have to really be looking up closely, right? And in addition to that, as you guys can see, we have the StopTech, the slotted rotors, which look really nice, and obviously add quite a bit of benefits for the brakes. And up front, you guys can't really see it too well, but we also have the Wagner Evo upgraded intercooler. Aside from that, you guys, his car is looking fresh. I mean, you can see my car is freaking ugly, dirty, and but yeah, we're just out here taking some photos. The backdrop is pretty nice right here, so I'll probably throw up a few photos after they're edited in this vlog, and then we'll probably do some rollers and just have some fun for the day. We're just hanging out. So another thing that Shane did to his car that I think looks really good actually is, check this out. So if you come up to the wheels, the calipers are actually painted black, and I think it looks pretty good. I've never seen black calipers on a car before, but I'm actually surprised with like how nice it looks and how it blends in. If you guys didn't know, this color is actually called Mojave Metallic, and I believe it's like a BMW individual color, so it's really rare to see this. What do you guys think? We parked the cars like this, got a little lineup going. I'm really excited to see how these photos turn out. My car is dirty though, you guys. But I think on Sunday, this upcoming Sunday, I'm gonna be joining Shane on a Euroclass run, which will be pretty sweet because we're gonna be going on a big cruise all the way through San Diego and whatnot, with a bunch of other BMW and just like Euro cars in general. So that's gonna be a ton of fun. Check out this villa. So like, you walk in and there's like this nice little courtyard with like a fountain. I don't know if anyone's staying here, but then there's like vineyards and stuff, and it looks so nice. I actually really dig it. And then as soon as you walk out, we got the cars parked there. This location is so nice. I really like this spot, especially for photos, because it's got such a nice like little backdrop to it. So we currently just left the spot at the winery, and we were headed off to another spot. It's a really nice industrial area actually, where it's pretty cool. Like the roads are really open. We can take sick pictures. I'm gonna try to get some like pulls of Shane's car from the outside, because you guys have to hear this exhaust. It's sick. His exhaust setup is basically completely straight piped, and it sounds really good. Plus he has like a pretty aggressive burble tune on there, and it pops a ton. So try to get that on camera for you guys. Guys, the N55 sounds so good. I seriously can't get over it. We got the cars parked here. Apologize if there is some wind noise, you guys. It is pretty windy. N54 meets N55, mortal enemies. I don't know about you guys, but I honestly so dig the paint color of Shane's car. Like Mojave Metallic looks so good, especially in the sunlight, like when it's all cleaned up. And with these AG wheels, I love it. Like, you guys have to see it in person. Shane is literally, we can't even see Shane. Like, I don't know if you guys can see him. He's up there in the bushes, because this dude literally will do anything to get a good shot. We ran up this little drain pipe thing, and he's in there. You can't even see it in the bushes. Shane's about to do a little pull in this beast. It's been a while since I've ridden in this thing. Oh wow. Dude, that is so incredibly smooth. Wow.
It doesn't feel like you're going fast.
Dude, not at all. Dude, it's so much quieter from the inside though. Whoa. Like that, it definitely throws you in your seat. Like you feel the speed. Like it's for sure quick, but it's like just such smooth power. Like it never seems to like dissipate or anything. 30 roll in this beast. Let's do it. Damn.
These brakes feel so good too.
Yeah, dude, wow, yeah.
I'm barely on the brakes.
Stopping power is like solid on it. Does your brake pedal feel like nice and firm when you press it?
Like it's stiff.
That's great. That's
really
what you
stiff.
like, yeah, that's exactly what you want.
So Omar's gonna drive my car.
You know what? One thing I love is these paddles. Oh my god,
So
those pops, you guys. Those pops.
Sounds good. It's so weird for the passenger. It's so much faster than I realized it is.
It really, dude, that was like 50% throttle. Like I'm not even like going on.
I went to go step on the brake just now. I'm not used to this.
Oh my. I hope the camera's picking up those pops. Oh my
Dude, the
gosh.
camera never makes anything sound as good.
It never makes it sound as good, yeah. Dude, this is insane. Wow.
You feel those brakes too?
Yeah, oh my god. Dude, those brakes are solid.
Stop
Those
tech
stop
is
techs,
really...
compared to my car, like, cause my car needs brakes.
And you can feel how like how
Right.
stiff it is. It
Right.
really feels good.
Oh, way more stiff. Dude, N55 has such a more like linear power band. It's so like hard to describe. Oh, dude, those pops. That doesn't get old. But yeah, like the power band on this car is way more linear. Like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, it's just so much more smoother throughout the entire rev range. Whereas my car, it lags, but then like it'll kind of just punch you all of a sudden. Listen to how quiet my car is compared to Shane's. Like, I kind of miss my muffler delete with the downpipes. It's like a baby. It sounds like a baby.
Definitely fine.
So Shane is currently.
Oh my god.
There we go.
Whoa. That's so different.
Yeah, it's more like it just comes like it.
It just goes.
Yeah,
it's like,
it yeah.
There's not like the N55 really goes on to boost and picks up.
Right.
This is just like straight onto it, and that's like the first initial difference. Is just like it just goes.
Right.
It's crazy.
I feel like with the N54, it's more of like a punch.
Yeah.
Whereas the
it's
N55,
like getting punched in the face.
Yeah,
You're just like,
exactly.
oh my god.
Yeah, it just like it hits you hard, and
Yeah.
you're not prepared for it.
No, I'm
which is like
actually really shocked right now.
Yeah. But with the N55, it's just smooth. You know, like
Yeah, like
it's hard to describe.
It's almost like you're in a Rolls Royce if it didn't weigh like 5,000 pounds, because it's like this big beefy
Yes.
engine with a lot of power.
Yeah, yeah,
but
yeah,
you
yeah.
Just, I don't know. It's
Right. There you go.
And it actually sounds really good at like the higher RPMs.
It does.
From like inside,
It
sounds
does.
really good.
It definitely does. Yeah. I love the way it sounds. It's weird, isn't it? Like
Either it's the twin turbos or just how the whole forged internal setup is with the bolt-ons. It's different.
One thing that might make a big difference where mine versus yours is I do have like a custom tune on there.
Yeah, I know.
So the parameters are kind of like fine-tuned towards my car.
Yeah, like your timing and stuff.
Right,
yeah.
exactly. Whereas I think you're just running an off-the-shelf map. Dude, no, your car's fast. Like that shit. I was like in my seat, I'm like, whoa.
Good news for N55 guys is actually a stock N55, I'm pretty sure dyno 400 wheel, full bolt-ons with like meth or something like that.
That's good, because that's what I mean. Most 335 owners, that's all they want. You know, I feel like
I'd be happy with a 550 wheel daily.
I mean, yeah, okay, true, but I feel like for the majority, they just want something that they can
wheels,
tune
like,
a
it's
little.
comfortable, and
It's very comfortable. It's you get a lot of power, dude. Like, you can't go wrong with it.
No, you can't do that.
That is going to do it for today with this video. Tons of fun. Once again, thank you, Shane, for coming out, hanging out for the day.
Anytime.
Yeah, I mean, I mean, you guys will definitely see Shane more on the channel for sure.
Local.
Yeah, I mean, we're local, so we hang out.
Shows.
Yeah, we're gonna do a couple detailing videos too, hopefully soon, with my car specifically, because my car is just always so dirty. You guys know, I mean, you guys know me, come on. But anyway, tons of fun. Shane's car is sick as frick. It sounds sick as frick. And then there's my car, which is okay. No, I'm just playing. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have tons of vlogs, more videos featuring other really badass cars. And with all that being said, catch you in the next one. Later, guys.